While it may be possible to remove the trays without safely raising and supporting the vehicle, I would not try. You must support the vehicle at the factory jack points, as anywhere else is dangerous and will interfere with the tray removal. Let's start with the rear tray removal. Remove the 13 T25 fasteners, red arrows. Leave the rear centermost fastener in place for now. The rear tray interacts with the center tray where it sits in a series of grooves and flaps. Remove the 10mm plastic nut that holds the corners of both the rear and the side trays, red arrow. Remove the rear fastener and lower the tray at the rear, red arrow. You can see the cooling ducts for the transmission and the rear brakes. Pull the rear tray back out from the center tray. There are 3 trays in the center of the body. The 2 on the outside, red arrows, hold the center tray, yellow arrow, in place. You must remove the 10mm nuts that hold both the center trays and the outside in place to remove the center tray. I find it easier just to remove the outside trays completely. Remove all of the fasteners from the outside tray and lower it out of the vehicle. The center tray is held in place by the outside trays. Once they are removed, you can simply lower the center tray down, red arrow. The front tray is held in place by T25 fasteners, red arrows. The front 2 fasteners also help secure the front wheel well liner. There is a plastic clip in the center of the tray, yellow arrow. The rear 10mm nut needs to be removed and the outside tray slightly lowered to remove the front tray. Use a screwdriver or a trim removal tool to unclip the center plastic clip. Lower the front tray at the front and slide it forward and out. This image illustrates the mount for the plastic clip, red arrow. You now have clear access to all of the underbody components. Installation of all panels is the reverse of removal. Torque all fasteners to 2.8 Newton meters or 2 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.